Hey guys, what is going on? There is the mining room. It is being organized right now. Might as well take this time to organize things a little better. 28.8 in here. Not bad. Nice. Feels like a nice summer day on the beach in here. So I was inspired by a little video I saw by Red Panda. He redid his shelving and he put a little tiny shelf like this for his PDUs, and I never thought to do that. It's so simple and yet so genius. I had an extra shelf just sitting in storage, basically taking up space, and it turns out I could have made one of these little tiny baby shelves and then got this PDU off of a mining shelf, so I got more room. So I got that one there, and I got my other power here that is running all the big fans. So that's set up there, and then these are just in storage right now. This one normally has a bunch of cards on it, but they are just sitting on a bookshelf right now. This is my some RX 580s and a 5700 XT. Those are all offline for probably the next year, I'm guessing. And then I've just got a bunch of shoe boxes up there. I've got a GPU risers, box full of GPUs. That's just power supply cables. Over on the other side, I've got a whole lot of ZVGA boxes. I just label what's on all the boxes there, so that's why I have just some storage up there. Got some more storage here. I got all these power supplies here. Box full of CPUs and coolers. Those are all my fans there. I got some power supplies here, some server power supplies. Got a big 2400 in there with some breakout boards. I think I need a couple more breakout boards. I'm pretty sure I've got one that failed on me, but it's on an RX 580 rig, so again, it doesn't really matter. Got some boxes here for big fans. I really need to organize in here now that I got some downtime. Just a bunch more PSUs. I got a whole bunch of these. I've got a ton of these 850 watt G5s because when the 3080 Ti came out, you could only get it as a bundle with this power supply, and for the time they had them on sale, so it was essentially a free power supply with a 3080 Ti. Of course, the prices have come down like $600 a card, but at the time that was about the best you could do, and I ended up with about 5 of these power supplies, so I got a whole ton of them. More fans. I just got to organize all this big mess. So that's all I'm doing for now, organizing stuff. I'll go show you. I have a whole bunch of cards just sitting on a shelf as well. Here's a bookshelf with some cards on it that aren't running. These are 1660 Supers, 2070 Super, 2070 Super, 1080, and then these are, I got 4 1060 6GB cards, and this is a RX 580 with a busted fan in it. So these are all going to be off for the foreseeable future. I don't want to be selling any of them during this bear market, because what's the point? When the next bull run comes, I'm guessing that these 1060s will probably be worth $300 a piece again, and they'll be able to mine anyways. So I'll probably mine them until about the middle, if I can mine them for a couple months anyways, and then probably put them up for sale, try to get top dollar for them. This 1080 is pooched. It can mine, but you can't overclock it at all, but you can undervolt the heck out of it, so it's still alright. I'll just keep that one forever. These are really good cards, but again, they're all just off for now. These 1660s, I don't know if they're going to be worth running at all until the next bull run anyway. So there they are, a little bookshelf full of some stuff. And my CPUs have mined their target for AVN. So I'm going to be moving those off to something else. I'm not sure what yet, but in the next couple days anyways, I'm going to be looking into what to move those to. If anyone's mining on some CPUs, let me know what's out there, and I will be researching some stuff anyways and moving those over. And when I do, I'll be sure to let you guys know what's going on. That's all I got for today. Nice and quick. Take it easy.